Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials and cutting the first shapes. Lay out a full-scale template and align it on the cardboard. You want the curve to follow the corrugation for strength. Once aligned, cut 3 to 6 identical hook profiles depending on desired thickness. Make clean, steady passes with the knife. This reduces fraying. After cutting the first set, stack them to confirm fit, then prep edges by trimming any mismatched areas so layers will bond evenly when glued. Now you laminate and sculpt the blank into shape. Spread hot glue thinly and consistently between each layer, press together, and wait or clamp until fully cooled so the bond is rigid. Once laminated, carve the outer profile gradually, remove small amounts, and check the silhouette often because cardboard compresses. Sand the curves with medium then fine grit for smooth transitions, and reinforce the inner hook curve by gluing thin paper or a small wood strip. This gives critical tensile strength, finish by sealing and decorating the piece so it lasts. Coat all raw edges with PVA or gesso to prevent moisture swelling, then paint with acrylics and top with a clear sealer for abrasion resistance. Test the hook under light load first. Watch for flex or separation. If you see delamination or weak spots, stop and reinforce. Separate slightly, inject glue, clamp firmly, and consider adding a thin internal splint or fabric tape along stress lines. This fixes common failures and extends life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.